In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple boards to your Jira project. Whether you're managing a small team or coordinating a large project with numerous moving parts, knowing how to organize your workspace efficiently can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the left panel of your Jira interface. Here, you'll see a list of all your projects, each one tailored to suit different aspects of your workflow. Find the project to which you want to add multiple boards. It might take a moment if you're managing several projects, but take your time to ensure you've got the right one. Once you've found your desired project, hover over it, and you'll notice a plus icon appearing next to the project's name. This plus icon is the gateway to expanding your project's capabilities by adding new boards. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. You're now well on your way to creating a new board tailored specifically for your project. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be prompted to select the type of board you wish to create. Jira offers a variety of board types, each suited for different needs, whether it's Scrum for Agile teams or Kanban for visualizing workflows. Choose the board type that best fits the management style you're looking to implement in your project. Once you've selected the desired board type, you'll need to name your board. It can be something simple or more descriptive depending on your project structure and preferences. The next step is to decide what you'd like to include in your new board. This is an opportunity to customize the board's settings and features to align with your project's unique requirements. You might want to include specific filters, custom fields, or perhaps link it to certain sprints or ongoing tasks. Take a moment to thoughtfully adjust these settings. This will help maximize the board's functionality and effectiveness for your team. Finally, when you're satisfied with your selections, click on the Create button. This action will finalize your choices and bring your new board to life within your project. And just like that, you've successfully added a new board to your Jira project. Your team can now enjoy a more organized, efficient workspace tailored to the specific needs of your project. And there you have it, folks. Adding multiple boards to your Jira project isn't just a feature. It's a strategic move that can enhance your project management experience. By carefully considering the structure and features of each board, you can ensure that your entire team remains on the same page, no matter how many moving parts you're juggling. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more insightful tips on managing your projects with ease. See you in the next video.